What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Alethea and I welcome you here with open arms. Thank you for coming to check out a video here on my channel. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So as you all know, I have hauled all my Black Friday and Cyber Monday things, but I was still waiting on my order from Juvia's place and it has finally arrived. All right, so first off, let me just say, I know that a lot of people are very impatient with Black-owned companies. I'm just gonna be honest and put it out there. Black-owned companies when it comes to shipping at big holiday times. Case in point, and I didn't screenshot it or save it or anything like that, but somebody had a problem with Super Sense order taking a little longer or what have you. And I know some people have problems with Juvia's Place's orders taking a little longer, but here's the thing. Sometimes these Black-owned companies don't have the manpower, don't have all that stuff that these bigger corporations that have been out for years have. So therefore, they can't get their things out as quick. So keep that in mind when you are shopping at a Black-owned business, especially a Black-owned business that has only been around for a few years, that is still trying to get somewhere. So please be patient. So with that being said, I placed my Juvia's Place order on Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and I didn't get this order until December the 21st, December the 20th or something like that, 20th or 21st, one of those days. So, but I was very patient. So anyway, and everything in this box that I got from Juvia's Place, I do believe I paid like $40 something for it. I don't know where my receipt is, but I think it was at like $40 something. I'll look and I'll tell you for sure. They had a very good sale and I used the code at the Fancy Face. I think that's what it is, because Tina from the Fancy Face, she has a code now, an affiliate code with Juvia's Place. So I used her code to do my order. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The first thing I have is this brush purple. Of course, it's my favorite color. It is the Juvia's Place highlighter brush and it's 01. So this is the first thing I got, and I just wanted another highlighter brush. So that's the only reason I bought it. And then I ordered two blushes and they're in the color Bella and Serafina. Let me see what they look like. My friend was over here and she opened up all of my palettes. I let her open up all the palettes, but she did not open up these. I'm gonna have to get her because she wanted to look at the palettes, but I guess she didn't want to look at the blush. Anyway, so this first one I'm opening is Bella, and let's see what Bella looks like. This is like an orange kind of coppery looking color, and there's a mirror in there. So here's what it looks like. Very pretty. I like it, I like it, I like it. And let's see what this other one looks like, and this is Serafina. Oh, and this one is in a like green looking box, it looks like. These things are so hard to get out sometimes. So I'm gonna discard these boxes as far as the blushes, but the palettes, I'm not even gonna lie, I have all of my, well, almost all of my boxes from the Juvia's Place. But this one is a light, it's almost a peachy looking tone. Very pretty color as well. Okay, so here are the palettes, and I have 5 of them total. And so these are the ones I have. I have the Nubian, the Saharan. I think I already have the Saharan, I don't know. I'm gonna do a whole collection of my Juvia's Place palettes. The Saharan 2, and y'all know that purple just talks to me, Tribe, hi. And then the Warrior 3. These are the 5 palettes I have, and we are going to go through these very, very fast. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the boxes. I'm not gonna put them back in. One doesn't have a mirror, but look at those colors. Do these colors have names? Yes, they do. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna use my phonics.
Masai, Zinga, Kahina, Fenty, Candace, Jarala, Conga, Karama, and Gola. That is what I think these colors are. Like I said, I'm trying to use my phonics.
All right, and so now let's open up the Tribe. All right, the Tribe palette, and this is, oh my gosh, that lime green on there is just so pretty. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, very pretty colors, very pretty. This one doesn't have a mirror neither. All right, so let's see, let's get started. Oh, didn't I? Okay, so maybe because they're in the same family, like the green family, because this one looks more like a chartreuse, but this one is also called
Masai. And this one is Aroma, Tootsie, Cuba, Chaga, Koro, Ashanti, Korea, and San. This one is San, S-A-N.
So yeah, that was kind of strange. They had the same name. And then let's look and see what's in the Saharan. This is the pretty purple palette. The Saharan 2 rather. No, yes, Saharan 2. Now this one doesn't have the ladies on the inside like the other one did, but let's see what these colors are.
Marrakesh, Aziza, Hadia. Now this one I don't even want to mess up. Chef Shaquan, I don't know. Nomad, Berber, Fez, Zora, and Taza.
So what I think I'm going to do is do with my Juvia's Place palettes, because one of the things my friend said when she was looking at my other Juvia's Place palettes, she was like, you don't even use some of these. I do use them. I don't use them on a regular basis because I have so many palettes, because my palette collection is big. It is big, it's huge. So what I am going to do is like use a Juvia's Place palette each day for a while just to get some use out of them. But this one is the Saharan. These colors I can see and read them much better than the other ones. The other ones, let me see if you can see those.
Anyway, so Sokoto, Wadabi, Barowo, I think, Kia, Senegal, Jamila, Iman, Zora, Chad, Katsina, Lula, and Fula.
Yes, I like that one better. I like the names on that one better. Let me put it that way. And then let's look at the Nubian by Juvia's Place. And no, I am not swatching these palettes because this video will go on and on if I swatch these palettes. But what I am going to do is, for those of you that do like watching my makeup videos, I know some people don't like watching my makeup videos. I've had people tell me they don't like watching my makeup videos. So if you don't like watching them, don't watch them. But as far as everyone else that does like them, I am going to do some makeup looks with these palettes. If you'll have me, if you'll let me. Anyway, so this is the Nubian. And this one does not have the colors on it, but look at this palette. I think right here, this would be, because I am pretty much of a neutral girl, this would be the palette that I would reach to the most out of all of them, because I play with neutrals way more than I play with colors. So anyway, y'all, this hair is giving me life. But anyway, that is it for this video. I do appreciate you coming back to check out another video on my channel. And like I said, I'm not going to swatch those palettes because I am going to come back and do some looks with those palettes and show you all how they work and tell y'all what I think of them. So yeah, be on the lookout for those. So if you have not subscribed and you made it to the end of this video, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I come back with some new shenanigans. So in the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. And I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.